Hello, today is the day 1 of our Pooja Mandir project. As part of step 1, I am planning to show how to build the base or the outer box, how to attach bun foot, and also how to attach slider for the drawers and the prashadam plate. So let's start our project. I am using 3/4 inch oak plywood to construct the base. So you need 4 pieces, 2 for the sides and 2 for the top and bottom. I got the wood cut into these sizes at Lowe's. It was a free cut. You can try with Home Depot and Menards as well for the free cuts. The idea is to attach the smaller ones on the sides like this. So I'm planning to use the pocket hole joinery to attach these boards together. This is a correct jig tool to drill the pocket holes. As we are using the 3/4 inch thickness wood, we are going to set the setting on the tool at 3/4 inch. This is a very important step as we are using the pocket hole joinery. Based on the thickness of the wood, you need to change that setting. And this jig will come with a drill bit. I am going to use this to drill the holes into the wood. So let's see how to do that. So the jig is set at the 3/4 inch setting as showed earlier. I am going to drill the pocket holes to the wood pieces which will come on the two sides of the box. You don't need to measure or mark where to drill holes as these holes will go inside of the box. It's completely fine. Just eyeball the distance between the holes and drill them. So just repeated the same step and made these holes. So do the same thing for the second piece as well. This is one more important step you need to follow. As we are using this pocket hole design system, you need to pick the correct size of the screw. So as shown in the table above, for the 3/4 inch, it is suggested to use 1/4 inch screw. For different thicknesses of wood, you need different sizes of screws. You can check in their website if you are using a different thickness of wood. So here I just placed this side on top of the another wood and I'm using this screws to attach them together. So you need to put that screw into that hole and drill it into it. Repeat the same process on the other side. And in the video I didn't use clamps, but make sure that you use them so that the boards will be steady when you are drilling those screws to attach those sides. And following the same step, attach the top piece as well. And we have the base or the outer box ready. So now let's attach the bun foot. This is a easy step. So I just marked at 3 inch from the edges. And then I use this right angle scale to draw the lines to get a perfect square point. So I'm using this bun foot attachment plates. So for these plates we are going to screw in the bun foot. These will come with the screws, so you just need to drill those plates into the wood as shown. Repeat the same steps on the other 3 sides as well. Now I'm going to just screw in the bun foot. Now let's attach the sliders. So these sliders will come with an instruction manual. I just followed the same exact instructions. Basically it's very simple. There are holes in the back side of the slider. You just need to use the screws they provide to drill the screws into the wood through these holes. And also to make it easy for me, I took an easy route. So I just added 4 slides on the 4 corners. So the 2 slides on the top will be for the prasadam plate, and the 2 slides on the bottom is to hold the drawer. So this way I don't need to measure the exact same point on each side to attach the slider and all that stuff. So this is one of the easy way I found. Our day 1 is done. As part of day 2, I'm going to show you how to fill the drawers and prasadam plate, and also how to attach the poles to create that mandir look.